This video is going to talk about compound sentences. Compound sentences have two or more independent clauses, or two or more simple sentences. For example, Ryan created the database and Sherry entered data. Here we have two simple sentences. We have one subject, one verb, and one object. Ryan created the database is our first clause. We also have Sherry, a second subject, entered, a second verb, and data, a second object. This is clause number 2. These two clauses are connected by a special connection word called a coordinating conjunction. Compound sentences use a coordinating conjunction to link the two sentences. So we have sentence 1, coordinating conjunction in the middle, and sentence 2. For example, I made the PowerPoint, Khalid wrote the presentation. If we want to combine these sentences into one sentence, we can use a coordinating conjunction. I made the PowerPoint and Khalid wrote the presentation. This is using a coordinating conjunction and is a compound sentence. Coordinating conjunctions link two independent clauses, and it's very easy. There are only 7 coordinating conjunctions, and we can use the easy acronym FANBOYS to help us remember. F is for, A, and, N, nor, B, but, O, or, Y, yet, and S, so. Let's look at all of these. For is showing the cause. It is similar to because. He went to prison for he had killed someone. This is not very commonly used right now, and you would probably only see it in academic writing. And we use to add additional ideas. I like to eat cheese, and my husband likes to eat crackers. Nor is used to add two negative ideas. So if you have two ideas with not, then we can add them with nor. So he didn't complete his work on time, nor did he get a raise. This means he didn't complete his work and he didn't get a raise. Nor is a little bit special because it messes with the grammar. So when we look at nor, it can only be used with two negatives. You add nor before the second clause, but nor is already negative, so we have to delete the NT from did in the second clause. So instead of he didn't get a raise, it becomes nor did. And we also have to switch the auxiliary or modal verb and the subject. So instead of nor he did get a raise, we would say nor did he. He and did switch. He didn't finish his work on time, nor did he get a raise. This is also commonly used with neither nor. Neither is also automatically negative, so it messes with the grammar. Neither did he complete his work on time, nor did he get a raise. So again, this simply means he did not complete his work on time and he did not get a raise. But we have to mess with the grammar. Neither takes away the NT from didn't, so it becomes did, and did and he switch places. Neither did he complete his work on time, nor did he get a raise. We use but to contrast two ideas, to show two ideas that are different. Hockey is a fun sport, but sometimes you can fall and hurt yourself. We use or to provide choices. Would you like to eat at home or at a restaurant? And we use yet to contrast two ideas, which is the very same thing as but. It's cold outside, yet these boys don't want to go inside because they're having so much fun. We could use but exactly in the same place. It's cold outside, but these boys don't want to go inside because they're having so much fun. Yet and but are exactly the same. Yet is less common and used more in academic writing. Yet also has two different meanings. It can be a time marker, For example, have you finished your homework yet? This is different than the coordinating conjunction yet. This is about time. But here in these sentences that we've looked at, it's all about contrasting the two meanings. And our last fanboys is so, and that shows causation. She saw a spider, so she became afraid. Why did she become afraid? Because she saw a spider. Notice for all of these fanboys, we have to have two different clauses. She saw a spider, she became afraid. And we always, or most of the time, link them with a comma and the fanboys. There are some common problems with these sentences that students have. A lot of students use a fanboys to start a sentence. For example, I went to the store, but my brother stayed home. This is bad. Don't do it. It is much better to say, I went to the store, comma, but my brother stayed home, and have two sentences linked together as one. Do not start your sentences with a fanboys. Another example, he had a lot of problems in class, so he decided to drop it. Bad. Don't do it. Much better is, he had a lot of problems with the class, so he decided to drop it, using the comma and making the S small. This is much better. To review, compound sentences have two independent clauses. Use a coordinating conjunction, or fanboys, to connect the two clauses. They normally have a comma before the fanboys, and they always have the fanboys in the middle. Do not start your sentence with a fanboys. Okay, I hope this helps you.